I used to believe that prayer changes things, but now I know that prayer changes us, and we change things. Some people come in our life as blessings. Some come in your life as lessons. If you find happiness, people may be jealous. Be happy anyway. I want you to be concerned about your next door neighbor. Do you know your next door neighbor? I can do things you cannot, you can do things I cannot, together we can do great things. Do not allow yourselves to be disheartened by any failure as long as you have done your best. If you are humble, nothing will touch you, neither praise nor disgrace, because you know what you are. Poverty was not created by God. It is we who have caused it, you and I, through our egotism. We interfere with God's plans when we push in someone or something else not suitable for us. Be strict with yourself, and then be very strict with what you are receiving from the outside. Do not wait for leaders, do it alone, person to person. I know I am touching the living body of Christ in the broken bodies of the hungry and the suffering. Even the rich are hungry for love, for being cared for being wanted, for having someone to call their own. He will use you to accomplish great things on the condition that you believe much more in His love than in your weakness. I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the waters to create many ripples. If you judge people, you have no time to love them. Prayer is not asking. Prayer is putting oneself in the hands of God, at His disposition, and listening to His voice in the depth of our hearts. We fear the future because we are wasting today. Being unwanted, unloved, uncared for, forgotten by everybody, I think that is a much greater hunger, a much greater poverty than the person who has nothing to eat. Life is an opportunity, benefit from it. Life is beauty, admire it. Life is a dream, realize it. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. What you spend years building may be destroyed overnight. Build it anyway. True love is love that causes us pain, that hurts, and yet brings us joy. That is why we must pray to God and ask Him to give us the courage to love. Peace begins with a smile. Give the world the best you have, and it may never be enough. Give the world the best you've got anyway. We do not need guns and bombs to bring peace. We need love and compassion. We ourselves feel that what we are doing is just a drop in the ocean, but the ocean would be less because of that missing drop. Never worry about numbers. Help one person at a time, and always start with the person nearest you. Go out into the world today and love the people you meet. Let your presence light new light in the hearts of people. The best way to succeed in life is to act on the advice we give to others. If you are honest and frank, people may cheat you. Be honest and frank anyway. The way you help heal the world is you start with your own family.